Looking to get the most out of your vinyl collection? The Audio-Technica AT-VMN95SH Shibata replacement stylus promises to elevate your listening experience with richer mid-high frequencies and a powerful mid-range presence. If you've noticed your records losing their spark, this stylus could be the upgrade you need to restore that crisp, detailed sound you love. I've been using the VM95 Series cartridges for a while, and what stands out is the flexibility they offer. Instead of replacing the entire cartridge when the stylus wears out, which happens after hundreds of hours of play, you can simply swap in a new replacement stylus. For the Shibata stylus, that's about 800 hours of listening before it's time to upgrade. This not only saves money but also lets you customize your sound by choosing different stylus types within the same cartridge family. Installing the AT-VMN95SH is straightforward, even if you're switching from a different brand. One user shared how they replaced the stylus on their Clear Audio Virtuoso cartridge, noting a clear improvement in sound quality after a simple modification. The Shibata stylus's signature design captures more detail and nuance, making your favorite records sound clearer and more dynamic than before. What really makes the VM95 series stand out is the shared electromagnetic engine across all 6 cartridge models. This means each replacement stylus, including the Shibata, fits perfectly without compatibility issues. Whether you want to maintain your current sound or experiment with different stylus profiles, you have that freedom without buying a new cartridge every time. If you're serious about vinyl and want a reliable, cost-effective way to keep your setup performing at its best, the Audio-Technica AT-VMN95SH Shibata stylus is worth a look. It delivers that classic warm yet detailed sound that vinyl lovers crave while extending the life of your cartridge. Try it when you're ready to hear your records in a whole new light.